workout. First, we're going to do the warm-up. So, we're going to start with windmills. For 30 seconds. Ready? Okay, now let's do back windmills. 30 seconds. Can you go slower, Karen? This is for you to relax your muscles. Okay. 3 more. Okay. Now let's do something else. Let's do some jumping jacks for 30 seconds. See your face? 30 seconds. Ay, pero eso you guys have to stop. Good job. Okay, now stop. Now we're gonna do something else. Let's do the jump rope for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't need to get so high so you don't injure your knees, Karen. Okay, so now for our knees, we're gonna do some exercise in our knees. Okay? It's a mix of this. There we go. This is the 5th one. Karen, get down a little bit more. Bend those knees.
I break a muscle here.
Okay. Let's do some neck rolls now. Let's start in the middle, on the side, and go to one side. And Chad, are you counting? Okay, should be good. So let's start with the exercise. So first we're gonna do some lunges. Okay, ready? Oh, you guys go lower than me. I'm older. Did you laugh because I said I'm older? Chad. Okay, let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's do squats. 30 minutes. Bend your arms and go down. 1, 2, 3. 30 seconds, girls. Come on, Chad. Chelsea, your knees. Make sure that one comes from your foot. You don't want to hurt your knees so young. One. Come on, let's do 5 more. Count, Chad. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're gonna do some sit-ups. Woo! Our abs. Okay. 30 seconds. Okay, it's done. Go for one more. Okay, let's do another one. High kicks. Let's do high kicks. 30 seconds. Ready? Okay, go. Come on, Chad. Come on. We need some help. Come on. Okay, 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, let's do 30 seconds. Butt kick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on, Chad. We're working out. Ah, 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 ah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do some punching. Ah. Ready? Set up squat position. Bend your knees and punch. Woo. Come on, Chad. Woo. Are you getting tired?
My knee's been hurting all day.
Boom. Boom. Kelsey, you can bring your arms up.
What?
One in front of your face. There you go.
Don't hurt yourself.
Are you swimming, Karen? Oh, get a little bit lower if you can. Ah. All right. Okay. Let's do another one.
Please.
Let's do some push-ups. Woo! Ready? Go. Okay. Wait. Okay. It's time for it to cool down. So, because we work our arms. 10 seconds here. Switch. Keep your arms.